Now, in paragraph 38 of your statement, you speak of General Mkhwanazi, and you say that you've learned that all his suspects do not make it out alive, and they basically denied the right to a fair trial. Now, that's a very serious allegation, but it's not quite clear what you mean by that. Do you want to elaborate on what you mean?
It's not that I learned. Everyone knows what happened in KZN. Every time people, we hear they were fighting back with the police, they never come back alive. Every time. And I don't say they must shoot the police. But in that shooting, you'll never find one police has been shot on the head or something. Every time the suspect don't get a fair trial to appear in court. That's my point.
That's in your statement that it seems to suggest something strong. It says that I came to learn that all General Mkhwanazi suspects did not make it out alive. You're saying that every person he arrests does not make it out alive and does not get a chance to have a fair trial.
I think one of the reasons crime cannot go down in many instances, where there is death penalty in certain countries, people do go to court, fair trial, found guilty, convicted, and sentenced. But in a scenario where every time the criminals, and I'm not saying these criminals must go and do all these things, I'm just saying they should be arrested and appear before court. And you cannot have a democracy where every time, and as if the crime in the Western Cape it does happen, Northern Cape in many places, but suspects do get arrested, others get away, get identified, and get arrested. But the ones for these people, they will not, every time, and they don't get a chance to shoot back. I don't say they must shoot back. I'm just saying there's never evidence to know where these criminals comes from, because they get killed before you get whoever who's sending them or the big people behind them.